Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, PHARRAWAY. Today is going to be an unboxing of a company that's called Avalon. They sell a bunch of automotive spray guns, and they sent me a couple of spray guns to test out. So let's dig into this box, see what they sent me, and see what's inside. Alright guys, they sent me a couple of boxes. Let's start off, I guess, with the biggest box. So let me get these out of the way, and let's open this one up, see what's inside. And there it is guys. Let's start off, let's start getting things out, see what's inside. First of all, you got your cleaning brush. You got your connection. They also send you one of these for the PPS cups. They send you a regulator. Your tool to disassemble the gun, your pot. Inside the pot got some I guess some extra little gaskets for the gun whenever you need them, and the filter for the gun also. Alright, so let's get the gun right here guys. This gun, it's going to be a 1.3 LV MP TRI-DV right there. Let me see if I can get you the close-up. It feels real good in the hand. I like the designs that they have. Right there. Here's and it's real light, extremely light gun. Wow. Let me open it up. Right there guys. And there it is. This is the first one. Let me just put the pot on it so that you can see it complete. There it is guys. It's really light. I like the trigger. Feels nice in the hand. And this is the TRI. Alright guys, all of this I'm gonna leave a link below with their website, so you can go see all the different kind of guns that they have. They have a whole lot of guns. Right here it also swivels. The bottom portion where the hole connects, it swivels. Alright, so can't wait to use this one. Start spraying with it. Alright guys, let me open the other box, see what's in the other one. Alright guys, let's start on the other boxes. Let me open this one. This one I believe it's the pot, yes. And it's a little heavy. Oh, okay. It has the adapter for the PPS cup for this gun. And I believe this is the regulator. Right there. Air regulator. And it's the same one as the other one. Let me just open it up so you can see it. Real nice. Alright. And let me open this box. This box, guys, the company told me that this gun is not even on the market yet. This gun is, they're barely coming out with it. I think I got the first one so that I can review. This is the first one here in the United States, so this will be a treat for you guys. Right there. It's the model number. It's a U19 HBOP, a 1.3. So let's open it up. Right off the bat, right there, and right there, there's the link to their website. I will also leave the link below, so don't worry about that. This is the inspection, the person that inspected the gun. And also it comes with some extra seals, the little brush, the little tool to disassemble it so you can clean it up, and some owner's manuals. You do have it in English on this side, different languages. Alright, and this is the gun, guys. Like I mentioned, this gun is not even on the market yet. Right there. Like the design, U19 HBOP, and it's got that tulip tip. I hope the camera's catching it. Let me open it up. Right there, guys. This is also a 1.3 needle nozzle combination. And this one is very light also. Compared to the other one, this one's a tad heavier. Not by much though. Let me put the pot so you can see it complete. Right there. This one doesn't have the swivel on the bottom, but I like the finish. I like the fitment on the hand. Fits real good. Can't wait to use these, test them out, give a review on them. I know they're gonna be awesome guns. More this one, I believe, because of the tulip design that it has there. Right there. Hopefully the camera's catching it. I'll put some pictures, close-up pictures of them so you can see them. Alright. Alright, guys. And this will be it. This will be the unboxing of these two paint guns. Again, the company's called Avalon Spray Gun. I'm gonna leave a link so you can go to their website, see everything that they have. They have a whole bunch of different kind of guns, and get a hold of them. Get a hold of them so they can get yourself some of these guns. I'm gonna make some videos coming up reviewing these guns on the spraying, and see how they hold up, see how they do. Alright, okay guys, well, these will be it for this video, guys. There's another video coming, so just wait for it. And these will be it for this weekend, guys. Hope you guys like it. Hope you guys enjoy these unboxing videos. I have a lot of fun doing these, and that'll be it, guys. All right, guys, don't forget to share the video so that we can reach more people. I tend to answer every single question if I can. They're piling up, so I'm trying to get to every single one of them. All right, guys, and also, guys, hit the little thumbs up. It helps a lot, guys. Let's see if we can reach at least 2,000-3,000 thumbs up. That'll help a lot. All right, guys, so this will be it for this video. Like the video, share the video, and have a great week, guys. See you next weekend. I'll probably be doing another video midweek. I'm trying to do 2 videos a week, so don't count for another video during the week, but I'll try. All right, thank you, guys. God bless. Enjoy your week.